Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Tuesday, July 1st. Well, markets finished mixed to end the month and actually the midpoint of the year. We were up half a point in the E-mini S&P, 1952.5, down 17 in the Dow futures, 16,740, and up 9 in the Nasdaq at 3840.5 with new highs made at 3851. The score for the middle of the year, the S&P up 6%, pretty good. The Nasdaq up 7% to lead the way, and the Dow up 1.5%. The big mover yesterday was the dollar. The dollar went below 80, closed at 79.81. It was down 27 points. That pushed the euro currency up. The euro got up above 137. 137.02 was the high of the session. 136.98, up 40 some points yesterday. So we're seeing a basing out in that euro currency, and the dollar is below that all-important 80 level. So we'll want to watch that on a weekly basis. Bonds moved up 9 points at 137.06. Crude oil didn't do a whole lot. It had a dollar range between the high and the low. Closed at 105.35, down 45 cents. Gold was up $2, getting a little bit of firmness with that dollar index moving lower. So gold closed at 13.22. The high of the session was 13.30, but it did back off some. So on the first day of the new month, in the middle of the trading week, with this holiday week, where are the markets this morning? Well, right now we're up 4 in the E-mini S&P at 1956.5. We're up about 0.25% in our stock indexes. 1960 is the all-time high, so we're closing in on that once again. Dow futures up 40, 16,780, and the Nasdaq leading the way, making new highs again, 3851.5, up 11 as it stands. The dollar is a little bit firmer, up 5, 79.86. The euro is below that 137 threshold. 136.93 is a new pivot we're going to keep an eye on, is 137 as opposed to 136, since we're solidly above that. Bonds down 19, 136.18. Yields right now on the 30-year Treasury, 3.38%. The 10-year note is at 2.55, holding solidly above that 2.5% that we've talked about as a support in the yield there. Looking at the crude oil market, we're up 35 cents at 105.72, and gold getting a little bit of a kick up $5 at 13.27. A little bit of a delayed reaction possibly to that dollar selling yesterday. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the stock market open, we're positive. We're chasing the highs one more time in the E-mini S&P, up 4 at 1956.5, and the Dow futures are up 40. I will see you July 14th for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. We've got a holiday shortened week this week, and then a holiday for me all week next week. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.